Just a quick reminder to say that we are having our next Tinnitus Healing Retreat in Sardinia on the 5th of October. So it's pretty much a month to go. There are a couple of places left on the retreat. So if you're interested, please contact me on info@juliancowanhill.co.uk and I'll send you a brochure. As Michael Gollenhofen said, he's one of the best ENTs in Germany, and I don't think there are many people in the world that know more about tinnitus than he does. But he said this is really one of the best opportunities for making really good progress in the week. You learn so much about tinnitus, how to manage it, and we equip you with tools and strategies and an understanding that you take home that can help you make a really good recovery. So it's set in a beautiful hotel in the southeast of Sardinia on a lovely beach. It's very quiet, very peaceful. And we have lots of hands-on healing, body work, and we do a lot of meditation practice together and a lot of focusing techniques that can really help you shift from tinnitus and being over fixated on it and freaking out about it into a much calmer, more centered, grounded state. And you can get all your questions answered and all your needs met, and people can make really, really good progress. On the last retreat, people had amazing outcomes. We always give people a questionnaire at the beginning of the retreat to fill in, the Tinnitus Functional Index, which shows how good or bad the tinnitus is. And at the end of the week, we ask people to do their scores again, and then we ask them to do it a month later, and people's tinnitus improved significantly, dropping down by half in many cases. So if you are struggling, this is a golden opportunity to join us. Time is marching on, so please don't hesitate to send me an email at info@juliancowanhill.co.uk. I'll send you a brochure and we can organise you to come along and get what we believe is the best help available on the planet at the moment. Sorry if that sounds a bit arrogant, but it's hard-earned experience, and we've had really good results now. So take care. Wish you well. Bye.